Today, we'll talk about the most powerful military weapons which are terrifying in action, each with its unique powers. From drone boats to powerful missiles, and even a rocket launcher that surprises like a magician. And oh, the US gets a little shock from one of them. So get ready for a tech-packed adventure. Before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated on our latest videos. Number 10. Drone boats. Drone boats, the ocean's tech wonders, are like the coolest gadgets navies can't resist. Ukraine and the United States, best buds in the tech world, are in a friendly competition to create these aquatic wonders. And Ukraine? Well, they've got a pretty lethal drone up their sleeves. Ukraine is head over heels for these special drone boats that can pull off some epic stunts, even kamikaze-style missions in the deep blue. Ukraine isn't just dipping its toes, they've gone full throttle, amassing a fleet of these super advanced drone boats, the Ferraris of the sea. Ukraine's making waves, and it's not just the tech, it's the epic adventure. These drone boats aren't just serious business, they're making waves and having a splash of fun while doing it. Number 9. Skynex. The Skynex air defense system, made by Rheinmetall in Germany, protects against various flying threats like drones, helicopters, and planes. It uses special 35mm ahead bullets, which are cost-effective and resilient to electronic disruptions. They're the party crasher's worst nightmare.
Let's party.
It includes revolver guns Mk3, unmanned guns that shoot rapidly and autonomously target threats using sensors. Skynex can also incorporate other weapons like missiles, electronic warfare tools, and lasers, forming a strong defense against different airborne dangers, including missiles, drones, and artillery. It's like forming the Avengers of the defense world. It's especially useful for short-range defense and enhances aerial protection. Number 8. Spike Firefly. A tiny but incredibly precise missile. It's like the James Bond of the missile world, sleek and oh so smart. It's not your typical boom and zoom kind of missile. Nope, it's part of the Spike family, and it's got more brains than brawn. With just 350 grams of explosives, it's the Einstein of explosives. It's basically a smart drone in missile form. It's got these fancy cameras that make it feel like it's taking missile selfies as it goes on its mission. What makes it unique is that a single soldier can play superhero and set it up, launch it, and gather intel about the target. It's like multitasking on a whole new level. One moment you're a soldier, and the next you're a missile commander. The entire system, including the sensors, can fit into a container that can be carried in a soldier's backpack. Hey, anyone up for a picnic with missiles? Number 7. Gerald R. Ford class aircraft carrier. The USS Gerald R. Ford is a true naval wonder. It's like the superhero of ships fueled by a nuclear power for 25 whole years without needing a pit stop. That's like cruising non-stop from Earth to Mars and back. Impressive, right? Equipped with top-notch sensors, it can host 75 fighter jets and has advanced launch and arresting systems. Protected by support ships and equipped with onboard defenses, it remains a formidable force at sea. Number 6. AN/TWQ-1 Avenger. The Avenger, also known as AN/TWQ-1, is an American self-propelled surface-to-air missile system. It is designed to provide mobile, short-range air defense protection for ground units against various threats, including cruise missiles, unmanned aerial vehicles, low-flying fixed-wing aircraft, and helicopters. The Avenger's mobility is one of its key strengths. It is designed to be deployed rapidly to any location on the battlefield, and it can operate effectively in a variety of terrain and weather conditions. The system is air transportable, which means it can be transported by helicopter or C-130 transport plane. This makes it ideal for rapid deployment to forward operating bases and other remote locations. Number 5. IFPC Hell. The Indirect Fire Precision Capabilities High Energy Laser, or IFPC Hell, sounds a bit like If Pigs Could Hail, is like the superhero of laser weapons. With a whopping 300 kilowatts of power, it's designed to take out heavy threats like cruise missiles with pinpoint precision. This laser weapon is aimed at developing technologies to protect important sites. The IFPC Hell is a mobile system that comes complete with its beam control, beam director, and power and thermal management components. It's basically the laser version of a Swiss Army knife. Number 4. DF-41. The DF-41 missile from China is like a rocket with a serious case of wanderlust. It goes on long-distance adventures, reaching far-off lands like the United States and Europe in just 20 to 25 minutes. Talk about speedy delivery. It's a missile with a split personality. It carries not 1, not 2, but a whopping 10 warheads. It's like a missile buffet, offering choices for targeting. You want 10 missiles in one? You got it. China didn't stop there. They gave this missile a GPS that even your rideshare driver would envy. Now the DF-41 travels in style on a big 16-wheeler truck. China borrowed some truck tech from Belarus, making these trucks the James Bonds of the missile world. Number 3. PackBot. The PackBot, created by iRobot Corporation, is a versatile military robot built for tough missions in hazardous places. Its sensors and cameras provide real-time updates to operate, and its nimble arm handles tasks like bomb disposal and search and rescue. It's like a robot butler that saves the day. This robot is so agile, it could moonlight as a ninja, navigating tight spaces and rough terrain with ease. It operates remotely, keeping heroes out of harm's way. While it's not a comedian, it's definitely the life of the party with its impressive skills. Number 2. HIMARS. In June 2022, Russia was confident, but Ukraine had a secret weapon, the High Mobility Rocket Artillery System, or HIMARS. Think of it as a truck with precision rockets, a high-tech showstopper. HIMARS did all sorts of tasks, from silencing enemy artillery to giving planes a scare. It even had a passport for air travel, a real globetrotter. Plus, it chatted with its truck pals for coordinated attacks. Ukraine turned the tables with firepower and flair. Who knew a truck could be this cool? Number 1. Israel Pulse. Israel reveals a powerful weapon, Pulse, to counter HIMARS, leaving the US shocked. The Pulse is like that versatile friend who can fit into any group effortlessly. It's the MacGyver of rocket launchers, adapting to various vehicles like it's trying on different outfits. It's got GPS-guided rockets that practically put a bullseye on the target. It's armed with rockets that go the extra mile, literally. But wait, there's more! It can even surprise everyone by launching a cruise missile like it's ordering takeout. It's the Swiss Army knife of rocket launchers, ready for any situation. And when the US saw the Pulse in action, they were like, well, that's one way to upstage a fireworks show. As we come to the end of our video on the most powerful military weapons, which are terrifying in action, we can't help but wonder, what does the future hold for military technology? Will we see even more advanced weapons? Or will we see a shift towards more peaceful solutions to conflicts? Only time will tell. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.